In the next section, you will be selecting the colleges or universities that you plan to attend during the 2021-2022 academic year. You may enter up to 10 colleges or universities on your DREAM Act application that you plan to attend. Please note that if you're planning to attend Madera Community College, which includes Oakhurst Center, you must use Reedley College as your school on the application. Madera Community College is a brand new college and does not have a school code assigned. Once the school code is assigned to Madera Community College, we will notify you via email to go ahead and make the necessary changes on your DREAM Act application. You must select a housing plan for each college that you plan to attend. Please select the best housing plan that describes where you will be living at each college.